I'm getting ready to turn this oversized t-shirt into either a dress or a romper. You just gotta stay tuned to see. What's up, bald heads? With everybody going crazy about the coronavirus, and I'm not because I wash my hands. I'm about to go to Walmart and do a little Walmart haul because y'all, I'm skinny and I need some lounge clothes. All I have is like work clothes. I need some lounge clothes. So we're about to go see what Walmart hitting for because I'm on a budget, okay? I gotta be bougie on a budget. All right, I just pulled up on Walmart. Let's see what we can get for $42.57. Top of the budget is $50. Minimum $42.57. Really want to be less than that, okay? That's what we want to shop. Just wanted to show y'all like we really up in here. I'm up in here. I don't really know where to start. I will be shopping in the kids section too because I'm that small. Okay? I'm little Miss Turner out here. I was kind of disappointed in Walmart today, but whatever. I spent about $26 and I got 2 t-shirts that I'm going to turn into dresses. They're oversized t-shirts. I'm really excited about this. I keep saying that I'm gonna do this every year and I never ever do it. But since I've been doing these 100-day challenges and I got all this time since y'all freaked out about Corona, I got nothing else to do but to turn these shirts into dresses. So I'll be back when it's time to do that. Now, the one pair of shoes, Rag is gonna be upset because I keep buying them, but they was $3. They was 3 hots, okay? And they kind of go with everything, so I was like, I gotta replace them because the other ones got messed up. So $3. Of course I'm gonna buy another pair for 3 hots. Come on, Pudge, I don't want to hear about it. I don't want to hear about it, okay? The other pair was just some, oh, okay, this kind of cute for $3. I'm gonna holler at these, see what they hitting for. But once I turn these shirts into dresses, like once I start the process of turning the shirts into dresses, I'll be back. I'm ready to take this oversized t-shirt and turn it into a dress. It's gonna be a little skanky dress because look how it hit. This is a 2X. It's hitting right here. It's gonna be skanky. I'm gonna have to wear some biker shorts with it. I already know. Maybe this need to be a 2-piece. I think this need to be a 2-piece because it's already skank. It's already too skank to be a dress. So what I'm doing now, I got the romper laid out. I've cut up the side of here, and I don't want spaghetti straps. I want more of a thick strap, so I'm gonna use this dress to get my straps. And I'm using my phone. I don't have a camera, so y'all gonna have to get what y'all get for now. So I took this 2X t-shirt and turned it into a romper. I am gonna add a zipper to the back because that's the only way I was gonna be able to get in this bad boy. I gotta add a zipper. Like, y'all see that? It's an open back right now. I said I was gonna put a zipper in the back, but I can't find my regular zipper foot. I thought that I had one, but I purchased an invisible zipper foot instead of a regular zipper foot. So I'm just gonna leave it open back. It's just gonna be open back. I told y'all I was gonna teach y'all how to be a little less raggedy. I didn't tell y'all I was gonna transform you to straight, not raggedy overnight because there's levels to it. This shirt actually came from Target. I started cutting it before I started recording, but I used an old dress to get the pattern. This was a 2X. Now it's a dress, but it is short. Look at all that thighage. All that thigh. I'm gonna have to wear some biker shorts or something. Like, I can't drop it low. I can't. Ooh, 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 ooh. Something gonna fall out if I drop it too low. I gotta put on some shorts. But that's a dress. Okay, boy heads. Here we are 3 months later and I finally did the thing. Now, to somebody else's standards, it would look as if I were procrastinating. However, I knew that I had a lot of things going on and I prioritized my time in a way that made sense to me. So around this time of year, every year, I'm always DIYing my clothes. So I figured if I started to prep while things were on sale I would be prepared for DIY season. And I am. I'm prepared for DIY season. So as I continue to make these videos and I upgrade my equipment, get a new camera and all of that stuff, I'll start showing you guys how I sew. I use a Singer Stylist sewing machine. I'm still a baby on the sewing machine. I still do DIY, very, very beginner projects. My seams are not all the ways straight. I still have a little Denise Gordon Gartrell syndrome happening sometimes. But that's the best part. Like, that's really the best part, when you can see your progression. So if you want to keep following me and see how I progress in this, do it at your own risk. I'm just trying to be a little less raggedy. Until we meet next time, keep minding your bald head business.